I have been excitedly reading this book, Practicing Futures. So it's a Civic Imagination Action Handbook. I love that subtitle, by Gabriel Peter Lazaro and Sangeeta Shastova. I am so thrilled by the stories at the front of this and the clear protocols that you can use and adapt in your circumstances and your context at the second half. So we are going to share today the website that this organization, these folks are part of, with all of these resources. And they actually link to the PDF of the book itself if you want to get that for free on the site. So generously sharing really exciting stuff. Let's check it out. Imaginationproject.org. The URL is, we'll link to it, but it's /workshops. So there's a main page. And then once you go into workshops, I'm here practicing futures workshops. Okay, so this stuff is brilliant. There are photos from the experiences themselves. This is the picture of the book that they actually let you have here, which is amazing. If you want instructions to specific workshops, you can reach out to them, which is such a glorious invitation. Here are the various workshops. So we have origin stories, infinite hope, imagining a better world, remixing stories. I particularly love this one where everyone kind of has their stories and then they can kind of mix them together, bring one character into someone else's story, or merge the events. Or it's so fascinating. The book shares a lot about what people have done with this, some examples. Step into the looking glass, moments from the future, and creating an action plan. So I love all of this. You can click into these, and there will be specific workshop guidelines here. It brings you right to this book. So you can see, let me show you. Here we go, section 3. So here, if you go to like page 113, so when you go into these, you have like running the workshop. Here's exactly, minute by minute breakdown. And then you have the facilitator modification ideas, exactly what you like, tips for like, okay, you want to introduce the idea of origin stories. Here's some people that you might use that on. Here are some different prompts that you will share, and here's some possible extensions. So you can see that with a bunch of different workshops. And I love that, all of that is possible here in that main page. So feel free to pop into one of these. It will link to the PDF of the book, and then you just have to kind of locate using the table of contents, the specific instructions for each workshop. Love this book. Very excited about the possibilities. Love that it's rooted in imagination and play and creativity. And they even talk about researchers and theories and just their actual lived experience of existing in this political climate of division and polarization, how this actually has a wonderful opportunity of bringing people through, albeit not without challenges, but bringing people through those divides and actually finding underlying shared values, which is super important to me. So I am super excited. I'm excited to kind of play with this and create some freebies that are adaptations of these workshops for things that you could do for school redesign, like using some of these to identify shared values and connect with multi-stakeholders on a multi-stakeholder leadership team to ground your work and your vision for a school redesign process or strategic plan. So excited to say that hopefully will be coming soon. And let me know if you end up doing any of that. Share your work back with me, and I'm happy to share it far and wide.